How to add tags for each product in Wix website. So first of all, you have to go to your dashboard, log in into your Wix account and navigate to your site dashboard here, which we are. Click on CMS. So if you just scroll a little bit down somewhere, you will find this option of CMS. Now here you can see there's an option of CMS right in the bottom. So once you go to the CMS here, it will show here, your collection. Now select the collection which you want to do so. By the way, I don't have any collection here. So let me just create a demo collection so I can show up the next method here. So I will just create a selection with the AI. So let's say I will just write here t-shirts, right, and click on next. Now this is the collection of mine. Now here we have to select the collection. Click on the relevant product collection where you want to add tags here. So here, for example, this is a flora brush. So I will just go and click on open. I will open up here. Now here, click on manage field, right? So there's an option here now, but on the top right, there's an option of manage fields here. Now click on add field. So for example, here this option of add field here. Now select tags. Now here you will get this option of tags here. Click on choose field tag here. Now this is a field tags, and then here you can just you can add your tags and everything and click on save. By the way, there's a validations, another default value if you want to do this, but I will advise you don't change any of this option here and click on save here. Right now click on any individual product with your collection. Right, so for example, I want to add a tag here, so I can add a tag here. Same goes for here, and then you can just do it with the other products too. So if you just go back, and here you will find this option that there's a new field for the tags here. Now I can just fill up this field. Now locate this newly created tag field. You can either enter a new tag or select from existing tag. Save your changes after adding tag. If you want to allow user to filter products based on tag, go to the page where you want to filtering option. Click on add elements here, right, and then select import and choose the selection tags input element. Ensure this element is connected to your dataset that include your product. Set a filtering option based on the tags you have created. You can manage existing tags by renaming, merging, or deleting them directly from the tags field in your CMS collection, which will apply changes across all products using those tags. For SEO purpose, consider adding a relevant keyword in a separate tags field if you want them indexed by search engine. As not all tags field may be compatible with the SEO setting. By the way, this process allows you to efficiently categorize and manage your products using tags, enhancing both user navigation and SEO capabilities on your Wix site. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.